All right, we're still working derivative rules, and now we have a double chain rule. So that is when you have a function composed in a function, and in that second function you have another function. So usually that happens when there is a couple sets of parentheses, say something to the fifth power, and then something in here maybe to the third power, and then plus or minus something. So when there are several things going on, that's what it means. So here is the example we're going to use. So notice there's this large outside parentheses to the fifth power. Well, something to the fifth, that is the f, something to the fifth. So the derivative of this something to the fifth is 5 something to the fourth. And then inside that something, there's some stuff. So anyway, inside that we have stuff to the fourth plus 6. That's the g function. The blue, that's stuff to the fourth plus 6 is the g. So when we take the derivative of the g, well, the derivative of constant is 0, so that'll cancel. But the derivative of something to the fourth is stuff to the fourth is 4 stuff to the third. And then finally, we have the actual stuff. We have x cubed plus 3, that's our h function, and the derivative of that is 3x squared. So we're going to put all that together. Let me just get rid of this over here, or maybe not. All right, so look at what we have. I have in black, I took this because we have to take the derivative of that. So 5 something to the fourth, and inside that something we leave all of the original stuff. We leave all of this stuff inside there, just like we leave all of this stuff inside here each time. So we're going to take this inside stuff and put it back in there. We're going to leave it just as is. See that? The g and the h remain unbothered. Then we're going to multiply it by the derivative of the g. Remember what the g was? The g was stuff to the fourth plus 6. Its derivative was 4 stuff to the third. So now that derivative is right here. Whoops, let me change that to blue. 4 stuff to the third. That's it. And remember, we leave the h as it was. So we leave this x cubed plus 3 inside there. Then we multiply. The very last thing is we multiply that function by that very inside stuff. And the derivative of x cubed plus 3 was 3x squared. And then we simplify what we can. We can take 5 times 4 times 3x squared. 5 times 4 is 20. Times 3x squared is 60x squared. And then these other things, I'll probably move this so it's first, just so it, I probably shouldn't have. It should be in descending orders, but that's okay. I rewrote it like this. So 60x squared, x cubed plus 3 cubed, and this other stuff to the fourth. And really, this right here, I could have left it over there. All right, that's it for the double chain rule. You'll be using these a lot when you're doing trig functions, when there are functions composed inside of other functions. All right, that's it for the double chain rule.